Weakness and advantage of nickel alloy. Nickel alloys are a group of materials that offer several advantages, including excellent corrosion resistance, high temperature strength, ductility, and magnetic properties. These properties make them ideal for use in a wide range of applications, including chemical processing, marine, aerospace, and power generation. However, nickel alloys are not without their drawbacks. They can be expensive due to the high cost of nickel, and some alloys can be difficult to machine due to their hardness. Additionally, some nickel alloys can become brittle at low temperatures, which limits their use in certain applications. Finally, welding nickel alloys can be challenging due to their high melting points and the need for specialized welding techniques. Overall, the advantages of nickel alloys make them a popular choice for many applications, but their limitations must be carefully considered when selecting a material for a specific use. Thanks for watching.